President Trump still optimistic when meeting with his cabinet.
We think we're in very good shape. We think we're doing very well. Again, there'll be a transition cost and transition problems, but in the end, it's going to be a beautiful thing.
Stock futures are right now up across the board. Let's see if they stay a beautiful thing today.
Hi, Kate. Good morning. Look, none of this is a surprise. These latest tariffs are very much in the Chinese playbook. But what's very attention-getting to me is the fact that China is now saying it's not going to raise tariffs any higher, saying it has other weapons, almost making fun of the United States for raising the stakes, raising the numbers so high. Let me share with you some remarks we got late today from a government official here in Beijing who said that the United States is engaging in nothing more than a numbers game with no real economic significance, going on to say the United States is exposing itself as a participant in weaponizing tariffs, as a tool of bullying and coercion, turning itself into a joke. So that is the latest where China stands in this back and forth tit for tat.
This counterstrike, shall we call it, from China directed at the U.S. business market.
It's not so surprising, you know, in the sense that they'll do the same. The key, of course, is that the U.S. is the big importer. The Chinese don't import anything like as much from the United States as the United States imports from China. So other countries come back with a tariff response, but the whole starting point from this in the United States was we're running a massive trade deficit, and we don't run big surpluses with anybody. So we can raise tariffs on you, and if you retaliate, it has less impact on us net. So I'm not massively surprised. It just keeps the whole thing, the chance of quick resolution and of us getting back to a world of free trade seem to be fading, and there will be a negative growth effect around the world that we're not